So a lot of people know the 5 essential tools that every woodworker is supposed to have, but do you know the 5 household items that are essential for your wood shop? If you don't, stay tuned. I'm going to tell you. And stay with me for the last one because I use this almost daily. Thanks for supporting our channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications when we release a new video. The first household item that you're going to want in your wood shop is actually tweezers. Yes. Why do you need tweezers? Hello. Obviously, we're working with wood here. How many times have you gotten a splinter and then spent 38 minutes trying to get this teeny tiny splinter out of your hand and you still don't get it? You could bite it out, but I don't suggest that. It doesn't work. Splinters are inevitable in the wood shop when you're working with wood, obviously. So you might as well have a handy dandy pair of tweezers because you're gonna need it. Tweezers, get them. The second thing you're gonna want in your wood shop that's not really a tool, it's more of a household item, is painter's tape. Why painter's tape? Why not? What do we use this shit for? Painter's tape is great for a lot of things. You can unravel this bad boy and you can collect your sawdust, you know. I like my tip. If you're working with miter joints, you definitely need painter's tape. And this is why. Look, you can glue it up with no clamps whatsoever, just a little tape.
Whoa!
Oh, I broke it. Perfect. Fine, thanks for coming. Number 3, a rag. Okay, what do we do with this? That's a great question. So a lot of people use paper towels. But they leave a ton of crap behind, let's be honest. When you're in there trying to wipe off a finish, it's not clean. It's not nice. And I don't like it, and I don't recommend it. But if you use a little rag, this one obviously has been used, you can actually buff the finish in, and it'll give you a lot smoother and cleaner look on your wood. Disclaimer, I'm talking about a wipe-on finish here, okay? Don't use this with a poly or a brush-on finish. That's just stupid. You can spend a ton of money buying a buffer, or you could just use a little more elbow grease, and a rag works. That's it. Get a rag. It's that easy. You're welcome. The next item you should have in your wood shop is... Aww. Get over here. A bunny rabbit, because bunny rabbits are great, and they will calm you down. They're just nice to pet. Just kidding. He doesn't belong here. Don't put your bunny rabbit in your wood shop. Have a great day. The next item is steel wool. Before applying your final coat of finish, skip the sandpaper and use steel wool. It's actually a lot easier and it will leave less scratch marks. You're welcome. It's kind of great because it can knock down the high points. The perfect glass finish. This is actually one of my favorite things to use in the wood shop because it's super unexpected, but also super effective. And you probably already have it laying around under your sink. So you're welcome. Okay, so the last item, the one I told you to wait for, this is really good. So a lot of times, if you're working on fine detail projects, you might have a ton of shop lights on, but once you crouch over that item, you've now cast a shadow. And so it can be really tricky to actually see what the heck you're doing. Have you ever used a pencil on walnut and then been in the shadow? I'm just saying, that's really hard to see. However, if you had a portable light, that's right, problem solved, don't look at it, shit's bright. That's right, super small, compact, easy. You could use a flashlight. If this is 1842, you could use a lantern, that's fine. Or a candle. Now we're getting real fancy here. It's got a cute little tripod, and it has varying brightness, and you just prop it in the area where you're working. It will light it up, and you can actually see what you're doing. All of those things are probably in your house, so you might as well just put them in your wood shop so you have them next time you're working on a project. If you found any of this helpful, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button so I can feed my kids. That would be great.